Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials, a verified Roblox account and enough Robux to buy any required passes or items. Once done, launch the Roblox client and go directly to the F.O.G Ultraviolet game page. Join a populated server so trading or vendor mechanics work properly. Make sure to check the game description for special requirements like group membership or a minimum level. Now enter the map. Don't linger in menus. Head straight to the spawn area where the vendor, crate, or quest marker usually appears. You now focus on the core acquisition. Find the specific vendor, crate, or NPC that dispenses the Ultraviolet Edition. Once there, either complete the mini-quest they give, often a short fetch or defeat objective, or use Robux to purchase the item directly. Sometimes the game requires a code redemption instead. After transaction or quest completion, open your inventory menu and equip the new ultraviolet item. If upgrades are needed, apply them immediately so the skin or effect loads correctly before leaving. You finish by verifying the Ultraviolet Edition appears and functions during gameplay. Test it in a private match to confirm visuals and stats. If the item is missing, relog and relaunch Roblox, clear temporary cache or the browser cache if you used Roblox Web, then check the game's receipt or reclaim menu. If problems persist, reach out to the game developers with a screenshot and your purchase receipt ID, and include server details so they can restore the item. This speeds resolution and prevents confusion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.